Stuck on land but need to swim faster? I'm about to show you the Dryland secrets that build real power in the water. Let's go. All right, team, gather around. I've got some news that's going to change everything for your swimming, and you don't need a single drop of water. We're talking about the secret weapon the pros don't want you to overlook: ultimate dryland training. Think about it. Michael Phelps wasn't just born with a dolphin kick, he was built in the weight room. And today we're building your blueprint. First, let's bust a myth. Dryland isn't just cross-training, it's targeted performance engineering. It's where you forge the explosive power for your starts, the relentless strength for your pull, and the rock-solid core that ties it all together. The pool is where you practice swimming. The land is where you build the engine. Let's fire that engine up. We start with a dynamic warm-up. This isn't about static stretches. We need to wake up the muscles we abuse in the water. Arm circles, leg swings, torso twists. Think fluid, think motion. Do this for 5 minutes. Get the heart rate up. Get the body ready for work. Now into the main set. We're focusing on 3 pillars: strength, power, and core. Pillar 1, strength. For a killer pull, you need a strong back and latissimus dorsi. Our exercise: renegade rows. Get into a push-up position with a dumbbell in each hand. Brace your core, row one weight to your hip, lower it with control, and alternate. This builds unilateral pulling strength and insane core stability. Do 3 sets of 10 per side. Pillar 2, power. Your start and turn are all about explosion. For that, nothing beats medicine ball slams. Grab a med ball, lift it overhead with arms straight, and slam it into the ground with everything you have. Catch it and repeat. This mimics the explosive transfer of energy from your core through your arms. 3 sets of 12 slams. Yes, you can yell when you do it. Pillar 3, the core. This is your powerhouse, your connection point. Forget crunches. We're doing plank to pike with sliders. Place your feet on towels or slider discs in a push-up plank. Drag your feet in, piking your hips to the sky, then slowly return. It's brutal. It's perfect. It simulates the core tension needed for a streamlined position. 3 sets of as many clean reps as you can manage. We finish with active recovery. Your muscles are screaming, so we listen. A simple couch stretch for those tight hip flexors from all that kicking, and a deep lat stretch against a door frame. Hold each for a minute. Breathe. This is your off-pool prescription. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and I am telling you, you will feel the difference the next time you hit the water. You'll be stronger, more powerful, and more connected. So what are you waiting for? The pool is closed, but your progress isn't. Smash that like button if you're ready to build your swimmer's body on land. Subscribe for more performance-breaking tips, and let me know in the comments which exercise destroyed you the most. Until next time, train smart, swim fast,